Hi, everybody. Listen, on Friday, this Friday, it's coming now, I'm giving away another 5 super likes. Now, you got to listen what you got to do. Because if you don't do this, I'm not putting you in the draw. You go into my bio, you'll see a link that goes to my Facebook page. You click on that link and you add me as a friend or you follow me as a friend. Once you've done that, you inbox me on Wayful and say, done Facebook. Those that do that, I will put your names into the draw, and on Friday, one lucky person will get 5 super likes from me. So you know what to do. Go into my bio on this app. There's a little link there. You click it. You go to Facebook. You either add me, like, or follow me. And then when you've done that, you go into my DMs or private messaging and you say done FB or Facebook, and your name will be in the draw.